Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the endless options when it comes to credit cards? Are you unsure which card will best fit your needs and help you achieve your financial goals? If so, you're in the right place. Welcome to my channel where we discuss personal finance topics that can help you achieve financial stability and freedom. In this video, we'll be diving into the world of credit cards and exploring the key factors to consider when selecting the right one for you. We'll also be sharing valuable tips on how to use your credit card wisely to maximize its benefits and avoid common pitfalls. So, grab a pen and paper, take a seat, and get ready to become a credit card pro. Choosing the right credit card can be a game changer for your finances. When considering which card to apply for, it's important to look beyond just the rewards and consider the fees, interest rates, and other perks. For example, some cards charge annual fees while others do not. Some cards offer cashback rewards while others offer travel rewards or points. Consider which rewards are most valuable to you and align with your spending habits. Additionally, it's important to understand the interest rates and fees associated with your credit card. Credit card interest rates can range from 0% to over 20%, so it's crucial to select a card with a low interest rate, especially if you plan to carry a balance. Also, be aware of other fees such as late fees, balance transfer fees, and foreign transaction fees. Once you've selected the right credit card for your needs, it's important to use it wisely. One key tip is to pay your balance in full and on time each month to avoid accruing interest and late fees. If you can't pay off your balance in full, aim to pay more than the minimum payment to reduce your overall interest charges. It's also important to avoid overspending and to keep your credit utilization rate low. Your credit utilization rate is the amount of credit you're using compared to your credit limit, and it's an important factor in your credit score. Aim to keep your credit utilization rate below 30% to maintain a healthy credit score. Credit cards can be a powerful financial tool when used responsibly, but they can also come with risks and drawbacks. Here are some of the benefits and losses of having a credit card. Benefits. First is convenience. Credit cards offer a convenient way to make purchases, both online and offline. They eliminate the need to carry cash or write checks, and they can be used at millions of merchants worldwide. Second is rewards. Many credit cards offer rewards programs that allow you to earn cash back, points, or miles for every dollar you spend. These rewards can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, or statement credits, which can help you save money or earn valuable perks. Third is building credit. Using a credit card responsibly can help you establish a positive credit history and improve your credit score. This can make it easier to get approved for loans, mortgages, and other types of credit in the future. Fourth, fraud protection. Credit cards offer strong protection against fraudulent transactions. If your card is lost or stolen, you can report it to the issuer and have any unauthorized charges removed from your account. Let's look at some of the drawbacks. First is high interest rates. Credit cards often come with high interest rates, which can make it expensive to carry a balance. If you don't pay your balance in full each month, you can end up paying a significant amount of interest over time. Second, fees. Many credit cards come with annual fees, late payment fees, balance transfer fees, and other charges. These fees can add up quickly and eat into the rewards you earn. Third is overspending. Credit cards can make it easy to overspend and accumulate debt. If you don't have a budget or discipline yourself to spend within your means, you can quickly find yourself in debt and struggling to pay it off. Fourth, damaged credit. If you misuse your credit card, miss payments, or carry a high balance, your credit score can be damaged, making it harder to get approved for credit in the future. Now that you have a solid understanding of how to choose the right credit card and use it wisely, it's time to take action. Take some time to research different credit card options, compare their rewards, fees, and interest rates, and select the best one for your financial situation. Once you have your card, remember to stay disciplined and follow the tips we've shared in this video. By doing so, you'll be on your way to maximizing the benefits of your credit card while avoiding costly mistakes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more personal finance tips and advice. Together, we can achieve financial stability and freedom.